Welcome back to my YouTube channel, More Life Chip. Hope you smash that subscribe button. Today we're gonna build a golden boy team. So we have here Yamal, of course, everyone knows the golden boy. I will put the picture right now then. Okay. And we all know, come on, Bellingham is also a golden boy. Let's put him right in the middle. So now you're gonna want to ask what is the more? Yes, he is. I'm gonna use three golden boy winners, and I'm gonna put him on a wheel, and then I'm gonna spin him. But I need to score 2 goals with each of these golden boy winners. So now another golden boy winner is, oh yeah, I forgot if Pedro is a Ballon d'Or winner. Pedro Gonzalez is a golden boy winner, guys. I forgot. So I'm gonna have to score with 2 goals with Bellingham, 2 goals with Pedri, and 2 goals with the star boy Lamine Yamal. So let's get into the match. First thing in there is 26 is Edzo. So this is how you escape it. When you see that rating, you go out, you go back, then you go into DLS 26 again, and it's gone. And that is Lamine Yamal, Ankara Messi.
He's running in the opposition.
Ankara Messi. Ankara Messi. Ankara Messi. Ankara Messi.
Mendes wins the ball.
For me, he's no Messi.
This is Haaland.
He's no Messi.
A no-nonsense challenge.
Lamine Yamal is a good player, but I don't
Lamine
think
Yamal.
he's not even close to Messi.
Pedri in possession and moving forward at pace. Oh, it's an opening here. Perfectly executed. This is a physical game, lots of tackles being made. Now it's Neto.
smell of food. Like brother. What the hell? Oh my god. No way.
Strong tackle.
Come on. Let me at least score one of the doubles. Let's go. Let's go.
Well, they've taken the lead, and I wonder now whether that'll give them some momentum for another goal.
One double Pedri.
They're running out of time, but it's still possible to score an equalising goal.
So my objectives is to score one goal with Pedri, one goal with Lamine Yamal, and one goal with Bellingham. Come on Bellingham, come on Bellingham, come on!
He's shaping
Come
to
on,
shoot.
you can do it, bro!
Some players are looking tired, so changes are being made.
Okay, Lamine, Yamal. That was too smooth,
Only trying. That's well out by the defence. What a volley! What a chance! Diaz tackles.
That's no volley, bro. That's no volley. Okay, let me just go.
And that's it. This team will surely be favourites to lift the trophy now. They're only one game away.
One goal with 3 golden balls. This is disappointing. Okay. See you guys in the next video. Where I will be playing. Where I'll be maxing Rivaldo. And the other video. This other video, I know, but I do little videos and I don't even remember. And go watch reviewing Rivaldo and maxing Rivaldo. This guy is amazing code. Just watch this video here and this video here. It is one of the best videos. Not like one of the best videos in YouTube, but the best videos on my YouTube account. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys loved it. See you guys in the next video. Peace. More life, Chief. To the next.